When we talk about farming, we think about land, effort, and hard work. We think about waking up early, working under the sun, and doing everything possible to produce. And this is true. But today, something has changed. Farming is no longer only about producing. It is also about understanding what you do, organizing your activity, and being able to move forward with clarity. This is what we are going to understand together.
Many farmers work very hard every day. They wake up early. They get tired. They produce. But at the end of the season, money is still a problem. It is not because they do not work. It is often because their work is not organized. They produce, but they do not always understand. They do not always know how much they earn, what works, and what fails. Working hard is effort. Understanding is power.
This is where Zaina helps you start. With Zaina, you can organize your activity simply. You start to see clearly.
Today, being a farmer is not only about producing, it is also about understanding, organizing, and making better decisions. You do not need to change everything at once. You can start small, you can start simply. Producing is good, but understanding and organizing is what helps you grow. And Zaina is here to help you take that first step.